welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Jamila, and for today's video, we'll be doing how to make a slime. And if you don't know how to make a slime, now I'm going to teach you how. It's really simple and basic, so yeah. First things first, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the bell button to gray so you'll be notified whenever we post a brand new video. Okay, let's start it. So you will need water. It's up to you if you want to use water. Glue, any type of glue, like white glue, clear glue, or glitter glue like this one. So I have a magical liquid, a bowl, something to mix with, and that's it. So let's get started. Okay, you will need to put some glue. So you have to squirt it. Maybe I'm gonna make just a little bit. If you put a lot of glue, then you have to put like a lot of activator or contact lens solution or borax if you have. So I think that is enough. And then I'm gonna put just a little bit of water. And then I have to put some activator. Remember guys, if you put a lot of activator in, then sometimes you will need a lot of glue. I'm just gonna make a small one. First you have to mix it really hard. And then sometimes I don't get the right measurement of the glue and the activator. I think I will need a bit more glue because I think I put a lot of water in the activator. Well, that's what I think. I hope this is not a fail. And also guys, if you love slime, comment down below. I love slime too. There's plenty more. Come on. Okay, I think that's enough. So here it is, guys. It's really pretty. It looks like nature. Then I just need a little bit more of activator. And then the sticky part, of course. If it's turning into slime like this, then I think it's the best way to start playing with your hands. But I think I'm gonna mix it a little bit more so it's like ready to play. Sticky, and I don't like sticky bits. Playing with like a slime, like a brand new slime, when you first touch it, it's really sticky. So I add a little bit more. So okay, it's turning into a slime, guys. I'm really happy, and I hope it's not a fail. I started making slime when I was 8 years old. I love making slime, and I made 10 slime and made them into this community, but I throw them out after like maybe 6 months because it turns to like a really hard one. And but I have a suggestion. If your slime is being like hard, you should put hot water. Put hot water in your slime. Or if it turns to like a liquidy texture, like water, and it's not even slime, you should put some activator and it will go back to form. So guys, I just touched it and it's still sticky, so I add a little bit more of activator. Now I think it's time to stir. Whoa. Guys, it's really, really pretty. It's like nature. Sorry. So guys, it is right here. It's very stretchy too and really fun to play with. And if there's slime left on the container, you just stick them in and they'll stick to each other, and yeah. Hey. I enjoy making slime a lot. And I even watch like cool videos. So guys, it is turning to slime and just getting the extra in the container. Overall guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share.